Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled A Day at the Beach 3. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used the Black Series Dr. Aphra and Krrsantan, as well as two shore troopers. Making a beach scene isn't very complicated. I just threw some water and sky on my background TV and covered an old baking sheet with sand to make a stable ground surface. After that, I just posed and positioned my figures. I like using sand as a ground surface when it makes sense because you can use it to very easily hide a figure stand, which allows for some more dynamic posing. Lastly, I did a bit of light painting while I took a few separate exposures. I would edit these together later to get some blaster glow on Aphra's face, as well as to remove the glare from one of my lights in the background. So here's my starting image. There weren't any large structural edits to make to this one, just some blending, touch-ups, and special effects. I started with some preliminary color grading before blending together my three separate exposures. Next, I used some custom brushes to add muzzle flare to Aphra's blaster, as well as some sparks on the blaster and the trooper. After that, I filled in the figure's articulation joints with the healing brush tool and some content-aware fill. Krrsantan was looking a little washed out, so I used the burn tool to darken up his shadows and midtones, and then I decided to use the dodge tool and the burn tool to bring out some features on Aphra's face. With yet another set of custom brushes, I added some clouds to make the sky more interesting, and some smoke to show Krrsantan's blaster was very recently used. To finish things off, I cropped the edges of the image. So here's the starting image again, and here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.